Morning students. Today we are going to start new unit, that is unit 6. In this first chapter, solutions of linear equations. We have total 2 chapters. In this first chapter we will discuss that is solutions of linear equations. In this linear solutions of linear equations we have 3 methods. First one is the Cramer's rule. Second one is the matrix inversion method, and third one is Gauss-Jordan method. So first, solutions of linear equations. In this first rule is Cramer's rule. What is the Cramer's rule? How to solve the equations. Consider the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. Second equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Third equation. We have to solve these linear equations x and x comma y comma z. To solve, we have to find x value, y value, z value by using matrix method. Okay, this coefficients, if you write coefficients a1 b1 c1 as a first row, a1 b1 c1, next a2 b2 c2, that is second row, a2 b2 c2, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, next a3 b3 c3, third equation as a third row, a3 b3 c3. Okay, therefore this matrix, the matrix formed such that is a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 is called coefficient matrix, and next variables. What are the variables? X, y, z, that is capital X equal to x, y, z. The matrix 3 by 1 is a variable matrix, and constants d1, d2, d3, that is 3 by 1 matrix, it is called constant matrix. And these three equations, A is the coefficient matrix, capital X is the variable matrix, capital B is the constant matrix, and these three equations can be written as in the matrix form Ax equal to B. Ax equal to B, equations can be written as Ax equal to B. Next, what will say is the Cramer's rule. This also Cramer's rule, also known as the determinants method. Okay, Ax equal to B, it is there. So we have to take first delta. Delta means determinant of coefficient matrix a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, and next delta 2. Delta 2 means we have to remove this first column and replace with constant matrix d1 d2 d3. Remaining are same b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. It is the delta 1. And next delta 2. So remove this second column and replace with d1 d2 d3. Remaining are same, that is delta 2, a1 a2 a3 d1 d2 d3 c1 c2 c3. Determinant of that matrix, it is denoted by delta 2. And delta 3 means third column we have to replace with d1 d2 d3, and remaining a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 d1 d2 d3. This is denoted by delta 3. First delta means determinant of coefficient matrix. Okay, delta means determinant of this coefficient matrix. Next delta 1. Delta means we have to remove this column and replace with this one d1 d2 d3. Thus in delta 1, and remove second column and replace with d1 d2 d3, that is delta 2. And next remove third column, replace third column with d1 d2 d3, and that is delta 3. Okay, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, delta 3. These four values you have to find out. Mean determinant of coefficient matrix, next delta 1, next delta 2, delta 3. Find out these four values. Okay, after this finding that by Cramer's rule, we get x equal to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, z equal to delta 3 by delta. X value is delta 1 by delta, y value is delta 2 by delta, z value is delta 3 by delta. So we have to find, first write the coefficient equations in the coefficient matrix, variable matrix, and constant matrix. Then delta, determinant of a coefficient matrix. Next, delta 1, replace first column by constant matrix, that is determinant of that matrix. Delta 2 means replace second column by constant matrix. Okay, determinant of this matrix. And delta 3 means replace third column by constant matrix and remaining this determinant of this matrix. Find out these values and substitute in this: x equal to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, z equal to delta 3 by delta. Next, problems. Solve the equations following equations using Cramer's rule. So first of all, 3x plus 2y equal to 3x plus 2y equal to 4, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Okay, here only two variables x and y. So given equation 3x plus 2y equal to 4, second equation 2x minus 3y equal to 7. So coefficient matrix capital A equal to 3, x coefficient, next 2, 3, 2. Next 2 minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3. 3 2 minus 3 is the matrix A. And variable matrix is x and y. Only two variables x and y. And constant matrix B. What is the constants? 4 comma 7. It must be in RHS side. If it is LHS side, you have to bring the constant into RHS side. Then only you write constant matrix B equal to 4 by 7. Then delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta means determinant of this coefficient matrix A. So A equal to x equal to B, therefore delta. Delta means determinant of a matrix. 3, 2, 2 minus 3. What is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? If it is A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix, we have the formula AD minus BC. AD minus BC, A into D minus B into C. Okay, that is 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Therefore, AD means 3 into minus 3, minus BC means 2 into 2. This is BC. Therefore, minus 9, minus 4, that is minus 13. Next, delta 1. Delta 1 means you have to replace first column by constant. 4 comma 7 column, first column, second column is 2 comma minus 3 as it is. So its determinant same, AD minus BC, 4 into minus 3, AD minus BC means 2 into 7, minus 12, minus 14, minus 12 minus 14, that is minus 26. Next, delta 2. Delta 2 means replace this second column by constant matrix 4 comma 7, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 7. Here also same, AD 3 into 7, BC 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4, 3 into 7, 21, 2 into 4, 8, 21 minus 8 means 13. Means delta value is minus 13, delta 1 value is minus 26, delta 2 value is 13. Here only two variables, so we get only delta 1, delta 2. Okay. Next, by Cramer's rule, x equal to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 means minus 26 by delta means minus 13, minus plus 13 1 the 13 2 the, we get 2 ones. And y equal to delta 2 by delta, that is 13 by minus 13, 13 cancel, we get minus 1. So the solution x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution of given equations. It is the Cramer's rule. Okay. Over here only 2 by 2 matrix, therefore we get only delta 1, delta 2. If it is a 3 by 3, 3 variables, we get delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Okay. Next, homework problems. 2x, second problem, 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Third one, 3x minus y equal to 5, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. These two problems are homework. Next, solve the following equations by Cramer's rule or using determinant method. Determinants method and Cramer's rule both are same. Using determinant method meaning also Cramer's rule only. Cramer's rule means also Cramer's. Okay, the equations given: x plus y plus z equal to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52, 2x plus y minus z equal to 0. Three equations in three variables is given. So we have to solve this by Cramer's rule or determinants method. So given equations x plus y plus z equal to 9, that is the first equation. 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52, that is second equation. 2x minus y plus y minus z equal to 0, that is the third equation. Okay, first coefficient matrix. What are the coefficient? 1 1 1, x coefficient 1, z y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1 1 1 1. Next 2 5 7, second equation coefficients are 2 5 7, that is second column, second row 2 5 7. And next third equation 2 1 minus 1, 2 1 minus 1, it is third row of the coefficient matrix. Next variable matrix, capital X equal to x y z and B equal to constant matrix 9 52 0, it is the column matrix. Okay, 9 52 0. Then we have to find first determinant of delta. Delta means determinant of this matrix. And next delta 1. Delta 1 means replace first column. Delta 2 means second column. Delta 3 means third column. Okay. Next I will calculate one by one. First delta. Delta means determinant of a matrix, that is 1 into its minor. Minor means you have to remove row and column, that is determinant of 5 7 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 into its minor, column and row will be cancelled, 2 7 5 2 minus 1. Next plus 1 into, here plus 1 into row and column will be removed, 2 5 2 1. So find out this 2 by 2 matrices. Simplification, 1 into AD minus BC, AD 5 into minus 1 minus 5, BC minus 7, minus 5 minus 7, minus 1 into AD 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus BC 7 into 2 14, minus 14. So plus 1 into 2 into 1 2, minus 2 into 5 10, minus 10. That is minus 5 comma minus 7, minus 12 into 1 minus 12, minus 2 minus 14, minus 16, minus of minus plus 16. 2 minus 10, minus 8, minus 8 into 1 is a minus 8. Therefore minus 12 minus 8 means minus 20, minus 20 plus 16, that is minus 4. Okay. Next delta 1. Delta 1 means we will replace this first column with constant matrix, remaining is same. So same here, plus it is minus, it is plus. So 9 into minor, 9 into minor means remove row and column, 9 into 5 7 1, 5 7 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 into remove row and column, 1 into this 52 1 7, 52 7 and 0 minus 1. Next plus 1 into remove row and column, 52 5 0 1, it is a matrix. So find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Here AD minus BC, 9 into minus 5 AD minus 5 BC minus 7, minus 1 into 52 into minus 1 minus 52, 0 into 7 0, plus 1 into 52 into 1 52, 5 into 0 is 0, AD minus BC. So minus 5 minus 7 minus 12, minus 12 into 9 minus 108, and minus plus, it is plus 52, here also plus 52, 52 plus 52 104. So minus 108 plus 104, that is minus 4 is the delta 1. Next it is the delta 1 value. Next delta 2. Delta 2 means we have to replace second column by 9 52 0. In the main coefficient matrix we have to replace second column by 9 coefficient matrix. So determinant 1 into minor, remove row and column, 52 7 0 minus 1. Next minus 9 into, this is minus 9 into row and column, 2 7 2 minus 1, 2 7 2 minus 1. Next third one, plus 1 into remove row and column, 2 52 2 0. So find the determinant 2 by 2 matrix. We get 1 into 52 minus 1 minus 52, 0 into 7, 0. Minus 9 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 7 into 2, 14 minus 14, AD minus BC. Plus 1 into 2 into 0, 0, 52 into 2 minus 104, AD minus BC. So it is minus 52 minus 16 into minus 9 means plus 144, 16 into 9, 144 minus plus minus 104, minus 104 minus 52 means minus 156 plus 144, that is minus 12. Next delta 3 means you have to remove this third column and replace with coefficient matrix. Delta 3 means we have to remove, what is the delta 3? Remove this column by 952, 0, 122, 151, 952, 0. Okay. Delta 3 is 122 is same, 122, 151, 952. So plus 1 into minor, this is cancel, 552, 1, 0. Next minus 1 into row and column, that is 2 into 52 and 2 comma 0, 2, 0. Plus next third one, plus 9 into its row and column removes 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. So element into its minor. So next it's AD minus BC, 1 into 5 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 52, 52. Minus 1 into 2 into 0, 0, 52 into 2 means minus 104, minus. So plus 9 into 2 into 1, 2, minus 5 into 2 means 10, minus 10. Minus 52 it is 104, minus 104 plus minus 1 plus 104, minus 8, 2 minus 8 and 10 means minus 8, minus 8 into 9, minus 72. Okay, minus 72. So minus 52 minus 72 means minus 124 plus 104. Minus 124 plus 104 means minus 20. Therefore, we got delta value is minus 4, delta 1 value is minus 4, delta 2 value is minus 12, delta 3 value is minus 20. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, I am calculating x value delta 1 by delta, that is minus 4 by minus 4, cancel out, both we get 1. And y value is delta 2 by delta, delta 2 is minus 12, delta is minus 4, minus plus 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. Therefore, 3, y value is 3. Z equal to delta 3 by delta, that is minus 20 by minus 4, minus cancelled out, 4, 4, 5 is 20. Therefore, z equal to 5. Means x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. X equal to 1, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5 is the solution of this linear equations. Okay. This is the Cramer's rule. Okay, next class we will discuss another method. So, do the homework problems and complete your fair notes also. Thank you.